Is it better to bank at a small bank or a big bank?
First of all, my answer is going to be biased because I don't work for a big bank. But yeah, I would think so. They're good and bad. Okay, so what's the benefits of a big bank like let's call it Wells Fargo, JP Morgan, Bank of America, Citi. Those are the big four, right? Their platforms are good. Because most of them have custom built platforms. So they're very user friendly. You know BofA's platform, JP Morgan's platforms. They're very easy to use, the online banking. The ability to open accounts, it's very easy with them because, they have the capital needed to create these, really, really good platforms. Some, people may not think they're good, but they are, right? They're very easy to use, et cetera, et cetera. The flip side of that, of banking with a big bank, if something goes wrong, this in fraud or anything like that, it's very difficult to get them. You have to call an 800 number, and the service may not be like very responsive, and it's harder to get things done with the big bank. Now, for a small bank, it's a trade-off. Okay, a small bank, you have much better service, right? Usually, if you go to your local bank or a regional bank or something, you have a relationship with the people at the branch. You usually call one person or two people and you get something done. So it's a give and take. Mm-hmm. The bigger banks also, tend to charge you more fees sometimes. Smaller banks don't. So usually, for business accounts, is what I deal with more, for corporate accounts and stuff. The smaller banks usually have more flexibility, better service, but the capabilities, the platforms. Now, this is when it gets pretty complicated for business banking. If you are a consumer, you can use BofA and what, it's easier because they have more ATMs. Their platforms are easier to work with. But if you're a company, there's a little bit of a trade-off. You're very complex banking. Of course, the bigger banks have better platforms. But if you are like a middle market company, under 250 million revenues, whatnot, it may be better to bank with a smaller bank, a community bank or a regional bank, because you need the service and you need the flexibility and you need the response times. Mm-hmm. So that's what I think.
Cool.